So we have a bit of a tunnel run to enjoy. Yeah, I've experienced this car in the tunnel a few times. My ST200. Yeah, it's got a bit of a nice exhaust on it. Put it that way. Sounds fantastic, and yeah, no sounds imposter, so this is all real noise. And yeah, I wanted you to experience it. Currently windows shut. We've got a tunnel up ahead. We'll do a back and forth, and I'm as interested as you guys as how this is going to come across. I've been averaging 41 mpg since I picked this car up. About it's coming up to nearly a week and a half now since I bought this car, which is crazy. Yeah, just been loving it. And obviously I've got future videos to come, particularly about the mods on this car. You know, it's not a stock car, and yeah, I'm interested to talk to you about that. But this is just a bit of fun. I've got it in top gear at the moment, and yeah, let's see how this is going to sound. I've actually got quite a few pretty sensational tunnels around where I live. You may have even, well, you almost certainly would have seen them potentially on other automotive YouTube channels. But yeah, luckily for me, they're just around the corner. But this is one that I kind of noticed, and I was like, well, let's see what this sounds like. You know, we're well away from the lorry. Here we go then. I'll down the window and hopefully it sounds okay for you guys. We'll do it in third. It's sort of a tunnel, it's a bridge tunnel thing. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Okay. That sounded pretty good. I don't know how it came up for you guys. Oh my god, that sounded amazing. Right at the end, it's just like, and I love this car because it doesn't have any like pops and bangs. It's kind of just, yeah, pure natural noise, which is really, really nice, and really actually like not that common, particularly with more modern cars now have OPF filters. They try to augment in sort of like a few crackles and stuff. This has like burbles, very similar to my Golf R as well. I really like that because it just feels very natural. Yeah, I mean, I felt that sounded good. I hope it sounded good for you guys as well. I really do. But let's spin it back. It's such a mechanical sound, particularly going through the gears as well. Yeah, I've never felt really as connected as I have done in any car I've ever been in, other than I owned a Fiesta ST before in 2013. But yeah, I've never always been, you know, I've never been sold on modifications and things. You know, I've always been like an OEM kind of person, you know, the manufacturer knows best. But I think with a car like this, they've just really, yeah, they've just put so much R&D into everything, and there's so much variety to go through. It's done such a great job. The short shifter is really, really great, and it's very, yeah, it's very mechanical, as you probably would have seen from like my other videos as well. But yeah, we got one more go at the tunnel. Not sure what that guy was doing. I just love this car and the tunnel. Oh, I didn't put down the window. I got this Nissan Micra trying to overtake me. Who probably will go for it. Oh man, oh, I didn't have the window down for you. I'm sorry guys. At least you got the first one, that's the main thing. The ride, I'm getting used to the ride. I think at first when I first was driving this, I was like, eye-back springs, you know, the fixed engine mounts as well, it does vibrate the cabin, but I've actually got used to it quite nicely, and I think it does add to the kind of rawness of the car. Yeah, I mean, I just love it. We'll have to do another one of these again at some point, because I've had a blast. Interested to know what you think of the noise. You know, it may be missing a cat, but yeah, it's a very nice sound, and I think yeah, 4-cylinder in these, a lot of things are getting sort of like detuned and desounded as well. I love it. Hope you enjoyed the POV. That was yeah, that was loads of fun. Hope you found it just as fun as well.